Pero if you're really like yung talagang sure ka na nag-decide ka na okay, I'm gonna migrate. Maybe do a one-on-one consultation with a professional.
Tsaka yung professional talaga that really cares.
Oo.
Kasi may mga client tayo, Bibs, I even
Yeah,
tell
yun
them na,
rin.
you know what, maybe just stay there kasi you're better off dyan ka lang muna.
Para lang naman kayo mga doktor. Pumunta ka sa doktor na hiyang ka.
Yeah.
Kasi 'di ba meron
Kasi,
hindi may mga doktor ito wag na nating i-sugarcoat. May mga doktor sa Canada na pupunta ka doon pa tapos parang general lang check. Wala pa 5 minutes tapos na yung check up mo. 'Di ba? Parang
yeah.
ano mo naman, tingnan mo naman yung detalye na,
Yeah.
di ba, maybe you're missing a detail on like my health or something. Ganon
Yeah.
rin sa mga consultants, di ba? If they allow you to speak, if they listen to you and they don't preempt what you're about to say and like tell you na, ito na lang gawin mo without having you say everything, that's a good sign. Pero kung tinigil ka nila sa pag-explain mo, tapos sabihin nila, eto na lang, mag-student visa ka na lang, ganyan. Maybe think twice about that.
Yeah, you really have to, you really have to put yourself sa shoes ng client eh. Pero sometimes you have to,
So, it's a whole
Yeah.
well-being of a person that you're,
Oh, yeah.
'di ba? Kasi yung simpleng advice mo can change the person's trajectory
That's
in the
right.
next 10, 20 years. So, you really have to care for them. You really have to think of what's best for them.